Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Shopify in 2026 for a while now, and you just got into the taxes aren't calculating correctly at the checkout. That can cause big problems, so in today's small tutorial, I will show you how to fix the tax not calculating issue in Shopify in the 2026 version. So, let's get started. First, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, everything is looking good. Open your favorite browser and go to shopify.com, their website of course. Then they're gonna show you this homepage where you usually should just log in using your email address and password. After this, we're gonna go all the way through the settings so we can look for all of them important informations including taxes, duties, shipping and delivery. But for now, we're gonna go all the way through the taxes. So, as you see here, there is Shopify tax servers that it's fully active. Make sure it's also enabled for you. Just turn on Shopify automatic tax calculation. But for some countries, it's manual, such as Morocco here, Hong Kong, European Union is Shopify tax. Canada, for example, is basic tax. So it depends on your IP address. After this, set your store address correctly, since tax rules, as I told you, depend on your business location. Then check the product tax settings, make sure charge tax on this product is enabled. And that's the main idea of it. You should also verify the customer location, since taxes may not apply in certain regions as well. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.